cut?
Yep.
Right here?
Right there, stay on course.
Okay, over there is, yeah, that's Hollywood. So, all right, everybody hold on. Changing courses, so we're about to chop up a little, going sideways. Only thing you have to do is read your instrument and be disciplined and know what you're doing. Yeah, right there, straight ahead, right? Hey, watch out for that that starboard and that port. The whole ride back from the Bahamas was like this. But we had to get back because people got flights. Any boats coming from the port side. So that little boat in front of us, he going the opposite, he going the same way we going, right? Yeah, we in a bad storm. All right, so what we got, 5 to 6? Woo! Woo! See that baby hit sideways? Huh?
Look at the wave on the side. Look at that one.
So we hitting 5 to 6 feet waves. I'm driving. So we white capping right now. All right, we got 2 cargo ships over here. Ivan, you sure that's it straight ahead? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, right here, right here, right here, right here. All right, let me keep my eye on it. Straight ahead. Closing in. All right, y'all, we almost back. All of a sudden, the ocean started kicking up 5 to 6 feet. I saw a lot of boats leave, but I think most of the boats that left went to Miami instead of Fort Lauderdale. But it was, all right, we closing in. Yeah, Kelly, you got lucky. You came last week. We came through a storm. That's my first storm. And put a smile on your face and make sure you don't hit another boat. It was a boat in front of us, but we saw it on the radar, but it was storming so bad we couldn't see the boat. All right, where's that